Hello! I'm happy to show you today this modern, stylish 2-bedroom villa with ocean views and the option for a 3rd bedroom with bathroom and balcony. And all this in one of the most beautiful gated communities here on the North Coast in the Dominican Republic. We have 181 beautiful square meters of living area, and as you can see, it's new, furnished and exquisite. Like, for example, this gorgeous handmade wooden table or this Italian refrigerator with glass front. Now I show you the garden. And this is double glass, so the inside's always cool and quiet. Here we have a lounge area, barbecue area, and a beautiful place for your dinner. Here you can enjoy pure privacy. And all the furniture you see are in the price. Let's go upstairs to check out the 2 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms en suite and balcony with ocean views. And here we have a laundry room. Let's see the 1st bedroom. Here, the bathroom en suite. Bedroom with air conditioning, television, with breathtaking ocean views. Second bedroom the same. Imagine you wake up and the first you see is this view to the sea. I hope you like the tour, I hope you like the villa, and if you want to have more information or a viewing with me, just contact me. I'm happy to hear from you. Bye!